Hi beauties! Today we'll be doing a tutorial on our labels for our custom party snacks. This is a highly requested video, so let's get started. What we're going to be using to create our label will be the Phonto app and the Canva app. These two apps are free on the App Store. And to create the title for our label, we're going to open the Phonto app, tap the screen, select plain images, choose the background you want. I chose the black background because I'll be using white text. Press the arrow at the top, select use, tap your screen again to start adding your text. And then you're going to see me resize. And I'm also going to tap the style button to change the colors. And once we're satisfied with the title to our label, we're going to tap the arrow button that's at the bottom right hand corner and press save as a PNG. Next, I open Canva. I select any size. And I'm going to show you the elements and icons that I use. Canva has so many of them. I do have the paid version. However, they do have a lot of free ones as well. And I'm just searching, browsing. Here I'm just trying to decide exactly what I'm going to use and put on the label. I didn't realize this took time. This was the most time-consuming part of the entire process, actually. And next what I did was resize my Canva to the letter size so that I could start creating my label. Next, we're going to upload our PNG that we just created in Phonto. Press the background eraser button, remove the background. And now I'm going to start setting up exactly how I want my label to look. You can set yours up any kind of way to your liking, add layers. And then I just started entering all of the TikTok elements and icons. I actually had a screenshot of my son's TikTok page, so this actually helped me a lot. Do you have a TikTok page? I do not have one. Leave your handle in the comments below. I'm definitely thinking about getting one now. When we're done, we're going to export our label as a PNG. And that is how we create our custom labels. Stay tuned for our next episode so that you can see how we apply these beautiful labels to our juice pouches. And thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. And if you would like more tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious.